The metaverse is revolutionizing the way we connect, work, and play. But just like the real world, it's not without risks. Cybercriminals are already eyeing this virtual frontier. In this video, we'll explore the cybersecurity risks in the metaverse and share practical precautions to protect yourself. What is the metaverse? It is a shared virtual space combining augmented reality, virtual reality, and the internet. It's where people can interact through avatars in virtual worlds, attend events, trade virtual goods, and more. For example, platforms like Decentraland, Roblox, and Meta's Horizon Worlds are metaverse in action. Why cybersecurity is critical in metaverse. Massive user engagement. Millions of people engaging in virtual spaces means more opportunities for cybercriminals. Financial transactions. The use of cryptocurrencies and NFTs introduces financial risks, new attack surfaces. VR devices, avatars, and virtual assets create unique vulnerabilities. Key cybersecurity risks and how to stay safe. Identity theft. In the metaverse, your avatar represents your identity. Hackers can steal or clone avatars to impersonate users, leading to fraud, scams, or reputational damage. For example, imagine someone hijacking your avatar to make fraudulent transactions or even disrupt your virtual business meetings. The risks aren't just virtual, they can spill into real-life consequences. Solution? Biometric authentication and decentralized identity management systems could help safeguard your avatar and personal data. Virtual property theft. Virtual assets like NFTs, real estate, and items purchased in the metaverse hold real monetary value. Hackers target these assets through phishing scams, wallet breaches, or insecure platforms. For example, a virtual plot of land sold for $2.4 million in the metaverse. Now imagine losing that to a cyber attack because of weak security measures. It's a very real risk. Solution: strengthening blockchain security, using multi-signature wallets, and ensuring platforms adopt rigorous security protocols can help protect virtual assets. Privacy breaches. The metaverse collects massive amounts of personal data, biometric data, behavioral patterns, even emotional responses, all of which can be exploited. For example, companies could monitor how long you look at an ad or analyze your interactions to manipulate your experience. Worse, this data could fall into the wrong hands. Solution: push for stricter data privacy regulations like GDPR for the metaverse and demand transparency from companies about how they use your data. Social engineering and phishing scams. The metaverse provides new avenues for phishing scams and social engineering attacks. Hackers can impersonate trusted avatars or create convincing scenarios to trick users into sharing sensitive information. For example, imagine your favorite brand's avatar offering you a discount in a virtual store, but it's actually a scammer stealing your credentials. Solution: awareness campaigns and education about verifying identities in the metaverse are crucial. Platforms must also incorporate advanced user verification techniques. Exploiting smart contracts and code vulnerabilities. The backbone of the metaverse economy is blockchain and smart contracts. If these are poorly coded or lack rigorous testing, they become easy targets for exploitation. For example, billions of dollars have been lost in DeFi hacks due to coding flaws. In the metaverse, similar vulnerabilities could cripple entire virtual economies. Solution: investing in smart contract audits and adopting formal verification methods can reduce vulnerabilities. Harassment and cyberbullying. The immersive nature of the metaverse means users can experience real psychological harm through harassment or cyberbullying in virtual spaces. For example, imagine being stalked or harassed in a virtual workspace or social event. The emotional impact is just as real as in the physical world. Solution: platforms need robust moderation, AI-driven behavior monitoring, and clear reporting mechanisms to combat harassment. Lack of standardized security protocols. Different platforms in the metaverse often lack unified security standards, creating gaps that hackers can exploit. For example, if one metaverse platform has weaker security than another, it becomes the weakest link in the chain, exposing users across platforms. Solution: global cybersecurity standards for the metaverse must be established, ensuring consistent protection for users and assets. The future of cybersecurity in the metaverse. Stronger authentication methods, biometric and decentralized identity solutions will enhance user security. Improved regulation. Governments and organizations will develop laws and standards to protect users. AI-powered threat detection. AI tools will monitor and mitigate cyber threats in real time within virtual environments. The metaverse is an exciting new frontier, but it's also a potential playground for cybercriminals. By understanding the risks and taking precautions, you can enjoy this virtual world safely. Thank you for watching. Stay secure and follow for more cybersecurity updates.